This will be a demonstration of the split stance mid-level press. Now, if you are setting up on an anchor system, like what I have here, or a door anchor, like what's here, you're going to want your anchor to be somewhere between belly button and sternum height. Now, I'm a fairly average height male for my generation, slightly below average. And you can see that this is somewhere between my sternum and my belly button. And for me, most doorknobs are somewhere between sternum and belly button. In this case, the doorknob's just a little bit below my belly button, so I would probably place the anchor right about here. But it's going to be strongest by the doorknob. If you have a cable machine, no big deal. You can just move it wherever you need to move it. So, we're going to set this up in our hand. When pressing, it's really important that you're maintaining this cross position so that the handle has most of the pressure on the heel of the palm and not bending the wrist back like this, but instead able to go from a neutral position here, where it's holding like this, to a thumb down to a thumb up position. That's really important. Anyway, for the sake of your wrist and elbow and the ergonomics of your arm. So from the pressing position, I'm going to start with this elbow tucked in and attached to this rear hip, like so. So when I grab this, I'm going to be projecting and stabilizing mostly through my back foot. So I want to step far enough into it that my elbow is tucked into that hip. Not in front of it, but tucked into it. Shoulder blades back and down, not rotated forward, so back and down. I'm going to rock, projecting through my body and turning this thumb as far down as I can, putting my other elbow on my opposite hip. And then I'm going to bring it back, slight side bend, generate forward energy, slight side bend, generate forward energy, and then from here, resist, 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 keeping that elbow tucked in. Here, resist, resist, resist. From the other side, elbows tucked in, extended out, driving forward. Thumb is now pointed down. I am not looking forward. I'm keeping my chin tucked in. My eyes are looking at the horizon through the top of my brow. Now, if I want to change over and use the elbow corkscrew, from here I'm going to have the arm extended, and as I come here, I'm going to extend the elbow up. Again, I'm not going to side bend any more than my head can stay in line with my foot. Side bend, rotate back. Side bend, rotate back. From here, side bend, rotate back. Side bend, rotate back. Side bend, rotate back. So this is the basic split stance press forward. You're going to find that this middle, the balance will probably be the easiest, and you'll also find that it's going to be your it'll be the moderate weight. So you'll probably be heaviest weight or resistance, moderate weight and resistance, lowest weight and resistance as you move through these adjustments. So just bear that in mind.